So it's Christmas morning and I'm getting ready to cook.
Got on my ugly Christmas sweatshirt from 4 or 5 years ago. Thank God I can still fit it. Because the girl been packing on the pounds. About to pack on some more right now. We are going to follow part of the recipe today from this emerald thing. This thing.
Rotisserie Chicken. I've been wanting to make one of these for a minute.
You're supposed to, you know, tie the chicken's legs up. So I went and bought string. This stuff. Went and bought this. My mom said I had to buy this kind because I was going to use my regular string. My craft string. Let me get the chicken out though. It's been in the refrigerator for a minute.
What do I do first? Let's read the directions and see, because I don't know. Combine the rustic rub ingredients in a bowl. Rub the chicken with 1/4 pound of the rustic rub. Truss the chicken. That's what this is. Truss. I thought trusses was on a roof. I don't know that this is supposed to be called truss. My mom had to tell me.
It said 1 to 4 pound. 1 to 4 pound whole chicken rinsed.
I already put the seasonings on it, so I'm not going to rinse it again. It still smells amazing.
Attach the one of the rotisserie forks to the rotisserie spit and tighten the screws on the fork. Slide the chicken on the spit rod into the screwed spit fork. Secure the chicken on the rotisserie spit with the other rotisserie fork and screws. Are we making a project here? Like, what in the world? Alright, so this is the spit forks, I guess that's what they call them. I ain't never make a rotisserie chicken before. This is my first time. So this is the stuff.
I guess this goes like right up his butt and out his neck or something. Because they didn't say, like, do you stick it just right through his butt?
Truss the chicken. So the first part is to truss the chicken. So let me tie the chicken up first with this. Where's the end of the string? How do you get the end of the string? There'll be an end of the string on here somewhere. I'm just gonna cut it there though. Sit this bird on top of it.
I don't like stuff on my hands. Oh my God, I have a problem. I'm gonna go through a whole roll of paper towels just to make this one meal.
Truss the chicken. So tie his legs up.
Tie his legs up. His legs, her legs. I guess it's her legs since she got her legs wide open. So tie her legs up. Ain't your mom ever tell you to keep your legs closed? Tie her legs up real tight.
Like that. Let's tie a little knot. Oh my.
That look private. I don't need to be looking in there.
So I'm assuming this must be the spit because this has to be the fork. So put that back in there the way it was.
Come on, Emerald. It's supposed to be made for fools. I'm not able to do it. So you telling me I'm less than a fool? Come on now.
I done read the instructions. And I can't get this thing in here. How in the world? How do you get this thing in here? Oh, maybe the screw is too close yet. Dirt! I'm gonna stick this part in the neck. And see if it come out the other end. Yeah, it's coming out. Look, it's coming out the back end. See? So, stick these. Ah, I feel like I'm hurting it. No, it's already dead. Oh my God, I didn't mean to stick that in here. I want to put on some more of this beautiful Christmas gift. 2 bottles of this. I got the steak now. I got 2 of the chickens. Sprinkle some inside. Oh, I missed it. I got these key limes. I'm gonna put a lime in there. Let me cut the lime juice. I mean the lime. Like that. Like this. Bam. Alright. If I put butter in it, then she got a tail on her butt. A tail sticking out. Hey, can it fit in there? She might not even be able to fit all that in there. Oh, it's burning my eyes. Oh, my. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Eyes hurted.
Eyes pretty bad. Oh, my God. Eyes. Woo.
So now we're going to lock on this other side of this thing. Her onions coming out. Get them back in there. Let's just put a little bit of olive oil, just in case, just to make sure her outsides is like, her skin just stays, you know, the way it should stay. Tender and soft, and then get a nice little crisp on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. All over. Ah! Woo! Big girl. Some black pepper on her. Rosemary. It's kind of like a little bit of a minty. I don't want a lot of that. Just a sprinkle. 1 tablespoon of cumin. And put the rest inside of there. Put that down in there. Alright. So, one side goes in there. And the other side go in there. Well, her wings is hanging out. So that's not going to work. Her wings is hanging out. We ain't done. Her arms got to be tied up too. We got to tie these wings up better than this. Because I had not even thought to tie the wings up. I guess. How should I do this? Just lay her down on it. Yeah. Hook it up underneath the wing like that. Yeah. That's keeping it tight. Yeah. Okay. I don't ever see all this string on it when I buy a rotisserie chicken at Walmart. I guess they cut that part off. Alright. So, you stick one side in. Her legs is hanging though. I gotta tie this again. This, he didn't explain like tie the whole thing up. So I didn't know. Cause her legs is hanging down like that. They're gonna be touching the bottom. Get some more string. Tie it up like that around the little foot. There we go. One more knot for good measure. Bam. Now we ready. You see that? That's how you tie it, I think.
Alright, so we got it tied up. Oh, all her season's falling off. Alright, get her in there.
It looks like it's going to be touching the burner. Alright, attempt number 3. This is attempt 4. Her leg is hanging down right here. And that's touching the the burner that's in the bottom. So let's get some more string. Tie the legs up. Pulling them up tight as they can go. Let's see what this do. So I got it tied up on the legs. Tied up on the wings. Tied up on the thighs. Yeah. Is it still touching? It's just missing it. You see how it looks like it's more to this side? Move the fork over some. Make sure it's completely centered.
Take the fork. Oh, I done tied the legs to that. I'm going to have to recut that. Retie it.
It's in there.
If it's in there that tight, how we going to get it out once it's cooked? Oh, my goodness.
And all these chicken guts on my hand is driving my OCD insane. Oh my goodness. Alright, so put this directly into the middle. So that way it's balanced inside the oven. Gotta go in there. It gotta go in there. Stand it up. Put it in this way. No, this way. Let's see. That is kind of in the middle. No, it looks like it's more going that side. You want it to be directly in the middle. Like that. Yeah. Like that. Put it down in there. Yeah. This is a project.
The forks is not going down into her guts.
Where's the little screw? There it goes. Screw it. Yeah, we gotta make sure the legs is tied back onto the fork so that they not hanging down. And tie a knot. Nice and tight, keeping them legs down. Yes. Do you see how these wings is flapping like that? I want to make sure they stay down. I don't want her to fly away when that oven get hot. Now, let's see. Is she tied up right? Is it centered? Let's see. Hey! Could have did that the first time. Now she's in there. She's not touching the burners on the bottom. And hopefully, she won't touch the ones on the top. But we won't know until she starts spinning. 35 minutes later. Let's get some of these guts out of here. All this chicken seasonings that dripped on the thing. Get that out of there.
Look how easy that is. Get them out of there like that. Even though she about to drip all the rest of her stuff out anyway. Because she got that wop. It's going to be dripping in there. That's it.
Rotate the program selection knob to the rotisserie setting. Cycle. Start. It's spinning! Yeah! Look at it spinning! Oh my God, it's working! Oh, what was that? What was that? I hope I did it right. The string is hanging down. Turn the light back on. Why is she spinning like that all fast? Oh, I gotta pause it. Because that string is touching that burner. That's scaring me. One of the strings is too long. Look at all the smoke coming out the top. Hey, you see that? You see that smoke? You see it right there on the brown part. Alright, pause. That string, this string is touching. Let me make sure that string is cut off. Whoa, that string hot. Yeah, that's what's burning. The string is touching. Okay, start it back up. Let's see what she's doing. It smells so good in here. So some of her skin ripped off of her leg. Oh, look how toasty it's looking. Oh my God, it smells amazing. The chicken is ready.
How are you supposed to get this out of here?
Or should I use one of these rags? One of these hot towels? That's probably what I should use.
It touched my hand. It's hot. Oh my goodness. Make sure
my hand is covered up. Oh, my. Here we go. Got her over here. So this is probably all still blazing hot. So we can cut the strings off. Turn it over. Oh wow, that looks so juicy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's see if we can pull this out. I know it's tight. There we go. And let's see what's going on inside these guts. Oh, that's coming right off. It was hard to get on there, but it's sliding right off.
let's taste it. Might as well taste it, right? Let's see if it's even cooked.
I don't think it's cooked all the way through. No, some of this chicken ain't even cooked. I did the right time. No. It's not even all the way cooked.
See, it's kind of pink on the inside.
This got to get cooked on something else. So, I can't say that the oven failed because the chicken is 1 pound heavier than the suggested instructions. So, but I'm not eating it while it's still pink. So, I'm going to put these back in. Put this piece back in the oven. It's going to bake. Like this. And let's go ahead and cook both legs at the same time. Might as well.
Cut it down to the bone. Oh, that one is really uncooked.
Hey. Woo. And then the middle, I put that in after it cools off. I just sit that whole thing in here. So, but for these 2 legs, I'm going to put these back in and bake.
Because that side is already cooked. I wonder who ties up all the chickens at Walmart? That seemed like a lot of work. It was almost done. It's just the very center. That part is white meat. Look how white that is.
Chicken is nice and white now. Look at that. It looks very tender. Mmm. It's very juicy and flavorful.
The flavor is amazing. There's something wrong with the skin though. The skin is nothing like skin. The skin is like tough and hard. Yeah, you can't eat this. This is no good. Can't eat this. Nope. Can't eat that skin. You know, rotisserie chicken or at Walmart, the skin falls off. It's like butter. I don't know why this is doing this. It's blazing hot. So there's smoke. Let's try a piece of this dark meat. The flavor is alright. I like the flavor.
The skin is very hard and chewy. The meat is alright. I had to put it back in the oven and bake it. Let's see how my insides turned out. All them insides is in there. Some onions and that lime.
That is the Emerald 360 rotisserie chicken. I will try it again with a 4-pound chicken or a 3-pound chicken, because this was a 5.7-pound chicken, and that might have been why I didn't cook straight through. So maybe next time I'll turn the heat down. Yeah, I'll do 15 minutes for each pound next time on 340 instead of 350. Let it cook slower, or even 325. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm not gonna give the air fryer a fail because the chicken was a little bit too big. But
Put this in the fridge.